To use Buy Now Pay Later on Lazada, start by creating an account or logging in to your existing account on the Lazada website or mobile app. Once you have logged in, browse through the various products available on the platform and select the item you wish to purchase. When you have found the product you want to buy, click on the Buy Now button to proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, you will see various payment options, including Buy Now Pay Later. Select the Buy Now Pay Later option and you will be redirected to a page where you can choose your preferred payment plan. Lazada offers different payment plans with varying interest rates and repayment periods. Choose a plan that suits your needs and budget, and then click on the Confirm button to proceed. You will then be required to provide some personal and financial information to complete the application process. Once your application is approved, you can complete your purchase and receive your product. You will then be required to make monthly repayments according to the payment plan you chose. It is essential to make your repayments on time to avoid late payment fees and interest charges. To avoid any issues with your Buy Now Pay Later account, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions before applying. It is also crucial to only borrow what you can afford to repay and to make timely repayments to maintain a good credit score. By following these steps, you can easily use Buy Now Pay Later on Lazada and enjoy the convenience of paying for your purchases in installments. Remember to always review your payment plans and budgets carefully to ensure that you are making the most of this payment option.